All right, we're gonna do a bike check. We're in beautiful San Francisco. Alcatraz is over there. There's some seals over there. This is the GT Rob Wise frame with a 21¼ top tube. It's a super long frame. Along with the really long frame, we have 10-inch tree handlebars. These are super big bars. I've had them for quite a long time, even before the store was open. This is a Monza pad set. Shout out to Monza for hooking that one up. That's pretty cool. Cult Vans grips with a Shadow Drew Bazanson brake lever. This is an Odyssey cable. I've had this one for a really long time too. This is a deluxe stem. It's really nice. Even when I have to get my handlebars off, I have to pry it off the stem. It's really good quality. This is a BSD headset. From there we have Rant lit forks. Sunday Current tires with possibly a piece of glass in the tire right there. They're really nice. I used to ride a lot of tires that slid out, so the quality of these tires are really good. These are Fiction Night Stalker pegs and an Odyssey complete wheel with a Hazard rim and a Bandero V2 hub. Pumpkin valve caps. The guy who made the rad stands, which are in a lot of my pictures, made these. They're really cool. They're kind of one of a kind, so really happy about those. We'll move to the middle. This is an Odyssey half bash sprocket with an Odyssey caliber crank in 165. Super nice. I got size 14 shoes, so the short crank is really good so my feet don't hit the peg on the back. The KMC 510 Odyssey Bluebird chain. It's been holding up really well so far, really strong. These are the Primo Turbo Connor Keating pedals, really nice. There's actually nothing there for pedal wrench, so you have to Allen key these pedals on. I snap a lot of pedals, so these have been holding up, and they're really big and grippy for big feet. Moving to the seat post, this is a eclat seat post with a GT dashiki pivotal seat. And then on the back we have a Sunday Current tire with Odyssey Springfield brakes. And this is a Primo Remix Free Coaster complete wheel. And I think that's everything for the bike. So thanks for checking out the bike check, and make sure you come to San Francisco to check this place out. So we'll see you soon.